Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to our channel. And here today I pick up some toys here that's gonna help with uh, video shooting. And I just wanted to unbox, review them with you guys. And so let's see, we got one of them here is it's a mount for the camera. You can mount your camera on your car, and I'm just gonna be unboxing and see what we got here. Maybe somebody might be looking for some of this stuff, and each one of them will have a link on the description of this video, so in case you need any of these items, let me know. Just go to the description of this video. Also check the first comment of this video, I'll post the links there. And for example, this one here is a mount that you can mount your camera on your dash of your car. It comes with different attachments, that way you can have depending with what you need for your camera. Just gonna go through them real quick here, and then I will assemble my camera. And this is a small camera. For now I'm using my phone as my camera, and therefore this will work with the phone. If you have a smartphone, you use your smartphone. Most of these days, majority of the content creators are using the phone to record, and therefore I think this one is gonna come in handy. This is the actual mount itself, and so all those components, the hardware that I just put on the box, they all go in here. Just unscrew this and change you change that handle right there. Then you unscrew, either screw or unscrew whatever you need, if you need to change it or you want to tighten it. And some of this you figure out as you go. See, this is one of those components, one of the many that I have here. So depending on what you need, you just pick one and push it in there. Make sure you have the nut ready. But for now, let's go to something else, because I have a couple of these items here to unbox. Then we're gonna attach them together. So this one is the phone holder, or the camera holder, and there is a reason why I picked up this particular one. It's gonna come in handy, and I'll show you why. If you're new to my channel here, please subscribe, leave a comment, let me know you're new there, and say hello, and I would really appreciate. So this is one of the attachments that's gonna hold the phone. As you can see how it stretches. Actually very solid and firm. And these are the areas you can mount some of those attachments I was talking about, which I'm gonna show you here. Like this one here, you can slide it there. Then there is an Allen key here. I think it's to loosen in case you want to tighten this or not. So this is how you attach this phone holder to the actual mount. You just screw it there. And then you have your phone and you have the mount. This is what you mount either on your dash screen or on the dashboard, depend, or also on your table. And the good thing, this thing can rotate in different directions depending on how you want it. And that's why I choose this one, because it gave me different options. And now let's see something else. And in here we have the lightings. Again, there is a reason why I choose this one, because you can also attach it. You can attach it to that mount system that we just got here. It comes with a that code is to charge the lightings. And here we go. It's a small one. You can put it in your pocket. Now let's see how we gonna attach it here. Okay, can slide there. Let's find out. I was thinking I'm gonna need some attachment there, but you actually don't need it. The way the light is built, it has already two options. You can either screw it or you can slide it there like that. You slide it, then you screw it to tighten. And there you go. You have your lighting attached. And that's why I liked this system, because you can mount on multiple things. And now you can come on the back here. That's where we have all the buttons. And there we turn on the lights. The good thing about this lighting is that you can adjust the amount of lighting that you need. And that's how you detach the lightings. Again, this lighting you can actually charge it. It comes with a type C charger. Most devices nowadays they use the type C charger, so it make it easy to find a charger. Now last but not the least, the last package here. Let's see what it is. from the picture, you already can tell it's VXR10 mobile microphone, and it's sealed right there, as you can see. So we are the first one to use it. And here we go. This is the package. Got this fluffy cover to protect the wind. I guess it's to protect the wind sounds, to enhance your audio, something like that. But inside here you will find the actual microphone. Here it is, small one. Easy. I mean, it's small. You can look just like on the picture, and it's so small you can put it in your pocket and go. This is where you plug in your whatever, the wiring. And it also comes here with attachments. This is a holder, and good thing about this holder, you can also add it on our mounting system right here. So you can have lighting on one side, and the other side you have a microphone, and it's the same way attaching it. Just slide it there and then use the screw to tighten it up, just like this. There it is. And then you attach your microphone and you snap it in there, just like that. And then you have your phone there, and the other side probably you have the lighting. And that's the whole system right there. This is why I choose this system, and everything here is bought separately, and therefore it's gonna have different links. When you go to the description of this video, you're gonna have different links to all these products. So whatever you want on this system right here, it's gonna be a link on it. And if you're new to my YouTube channel and you're liking this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment there, and also subscribe. So it came with the two different auxiliary cables here. So one that is stretchy, and the regular one. And then inside the package is also this pocket bag. You can have all your package installed in their bag and take it away with you wherever you want to go shoot your videos. The whole system you can also detach from the car if you attach this on your car using the mount that goes on your dashboard, and mount any stand that you have, like this tripod stand here, small one. So the options are numerous. They are different. You have different options with this system. There we go. So you have your phone on the center, You have the microphone on the other side, and you have the lightings on the other side. Make sure you check out Jeff Carboy YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button and check out the videos that we've done there. Good thing with this system, you can rotate 360, and it can be attached to different items. Again, you can also turn the camera around to face the object. Maybe if the object is behind the phone, you can just do that. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for staying with me. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe.